Right, in this tutorial, objective will be to learn how to completely delete or let's say destroy everything in a specific directory, including subfolders, files, whatever. Whatever is in that thing, it will be destroyed, absolutely. So we cannot use OS module because to some degree some methods are limiting. We will use shuttle module here, and of course we need to import it. Import shuttle. Import shuttle. Right, now we can use rm3 method from that module. Well, to save a little bit of time on typing, I'm gonna steal from myself this piece of code and let's flush it a little bit down there, like here, and also let's have a little bit of separation here. It's kind of nice, I think. Okay, so here I'm just going to copy paste. And now we are going to define a specific method that must be different than already existing method in a system or in a Python. So it will not be rm3, it will be something custom. So let's say that operation that admin will issue to destroy stuff will be destroy dir. Destroy dir. But we cannot use 7 here because there is a couple of these characters more here when we are filtering what is coming from admin side as the instruction from here. You remember that from a couple of previous tutorials. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. So when we detect that in the first 10 characters in extracted there is destroy dir, then we will roll with next lines. So this line will not work. That was from previous source code from previous tutorial. We are going to use a shuttle module. Shuttle and method is rm3. rm3 removes everything, remove 3, complete 3. And we cannot use 8 here, that was from previous tutorial. We must use something than this, which is 11, to grab our target. This will be on the left side of colon and this will be on the right side. Well, string splitting is interesting stuff, or indexing if you wish. Okay, so when this is done, if it is done, then we will say something custom here that must be different from this stuff here as a report, and that will be like directory destroyed, directory destroyed, and also I'm gonna concatenate that down there too when we are sending stuff to admin as a report. Yeah, that's what we need to do if everything is fine. And if we try to destroy directory 2 times, then that's stupid, obviously. So we will just say here, unable to destroy directory, no such directory. If we already did it, no such dir, and let's use uppercase D here. And also I'm gonna copy paste this and put it down there. That will be sent to admin. Okay, so let me see what I have. Actually, I don't care in my directory right now because we are going to do that, but let me just delete my log file because I wanna also detect those changes in a log file. Right, so on the side of admin we don't need to delete anything, and if this is your first time watching these tutorials, let me just zoom this a little bit, like visually, so you can copy paste from video if you pause. So probably you see everything, and bottom down there, that's cool. That's enough. Right, so let me run this admin script because that's the first thing we need to do. Run module, and oh, I need to align this again all over. Okay, that's cool. So let me run client script. We do have connection. Now, if I say dir here, in the report, let me check what kind of directories we have. No directories at the moment in this primary folder where we have, actually I have my Python scripts for this playlist. So let's first create one directory, like a test dir. The method we're going to use is make dir, actually my own instruction, make dir. So let's create it. Make dir test 2 times uppercase. Okay, so that's cool. And now when we say dir, there must be again test right now existing somewhere. Oh, down there, test, that's cool. So we have the directory, we can remove it. We are going to remove it by using destroy dir and name of that dir. So that's it, dir concatenated, guys, concatenated, a little bit of space, of course, and the target is test dir. Test, enter, directory destroyed, and yeah, I mean target and a little bit of command, who cares, I will not fix this. I mean, it's just cool report. It's a little bit dumb because there is command in it, but who cares. Okay, so let's try to delete this stuff again, but first let me check it. Do I have it for real? So what was it? Course, admin scripts, and there you go. There is no any kind of directories here. See, no directories, just a log file, and that's cool. So this is successful. My code works, and yeah, let's run this stuff again just to see that error, because unable to create dir, no such dir, of course, because previously we totally removed it. Okay, so that's it in this tutorial, nothing special. What I was trying to say here, let me remind myself. Oh yeah, if you're first time in this playlist, in this tutorial, then probably you also want to see what is in client script. So from a couple of minutes ago you have admin script and this is client script. So let me zoom into that, like visually. There you go, this is one part of the script. And let's roll down there for you to see while true loop with a bunch of stuff. Okay, and then down there it is just end with else common. This common is just a method that will use subprocesses to do anything that is not handled by this piece of code. So let me just show that to you. There you go. Common method. If you are watching these tutorials from like day one in this playlist, then you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Let me get out from here. Oh, actually it is, yeah, I'm out. So guys, in the next tutorial I'm gonna think about something fun also to do as a continuation of this playlist, and as always, thank you for watching, thank you for support and subscription, and see you in the next one. Ciao.